the legends of Luke Skywalker? Yes, we hear there is another, a new Jedi. Do you know her name? Rey, exactly, Rey. She was a scrapper just like us. And what Rey is leading, well, that is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for too long. And that is why you are here, to look ahead. Well, and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is as elegant as it is enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber then becomes a reflection of its builder with the force flowing between them. And today, you will feel that connection. So enough talk, yes? Let's begin with perhaps the most important element of a lightsaber, the Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the Kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber, and the color of the crystal determines the color of the saber's blade. We've seen these with some of the greatest Jedi legends in history. The blue crystal, favored by great Jedi Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker and Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, a beautiful and rare crystal, favored by the great Jedi Master Mace Windu. And because there must be balance, red. Often called the color of power, the crystal was favored by Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But all these are stories of the past. We are here for you, our future. So it's now time for you to select your Kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. So builders, close your eyes. Indulge me, close your eyes and picture your Kyber crystal in your mind. What color calls to you? Remember, it is equally likely the crystal itself is choosing you. Good, open your eyes. Excuse me. And select your Kyber crystal. Excellent. You're all seeing things before they happen. It is a Jedi trait. Perfect. Now builders, carefully place those crystals in the green crystal holders in front of you. As it is now time to begin the construction of our hilt. So the gatherers will now place before you the selection you previously made. And from there you will choose the individual components to make your unique lightsaber. The hilt is really the foundation of a lightsaber. It's your center of control. Also, it's the part that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. So let's look at the components, starting with the chassis. You'll then see on the other side of your box the activation plates. We'll choose 2 of the 4 grip selections before finally fixing the blade emitter and the pommel cap. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. The gatherers are here to help you through every part of the process. So, builders, are you ready? Then let's build.
Right, sons, and welcome. My name is Allie, and I'm going to be helping you with your build today. The first piece that you need is your chassis. You're going to hold it with the lines and open end up towards the sky. Okay? Next, you're going to take a look at this center chamber here. You'll notice there's a small dot right in the center of both the top and the bottom plate, and this top one does spring. Okay, so we're going to use that to help us insert our Kyber crystal. choose one point. I find it easiest to use the smallest, and put it right in the center of that top plate where that dot is to help hold it in place. And then gently use your thumb to slide the bottom of the crystal into the center of that dotted plate. If you need any help, just let me know. It is a little bit tricky. That's what I find easiest. You can slide it right into that center dot at the top plate, and then perfect. It should be straight up and down, and you should be able to spin it as well once it's nice and secure. If you need some help, oh wait, I almost had it. Make sure you put it into the top first.
Now we're going to actually hit all over the
Got it?
Pick one of those two
Go ahead and slide the bottom in.
pieces together as a pair.
Sorry.
One has a
No,
blue
it's
square,
okay.
one has
It's
a
tricky.
red
It
square.
took me like 10 minutes to do it the first time that I tried. No worries.
You can
move on to the activation plates.
Perfect.
That's number 3. See if these activation plates we make.
slide that switch to make sure your crystals spark.
One of those pairs,
You're
you
gonna
see
choose
on the
one set of
inside, there's a
activation
blue
plates.
square and a red square on either one of the plates. And you match those colour squares up to the ones on the chest.
So you're going to see red or blue squares on the inside corner, and they're going to match up here on the side of your chassis, okay?
You can mix and match them however you like. It doesn't matter how they're placed in your boxes.
And they're going to go, we can cover either half just like this.
Thicker and wider. One wider side.
Alright, now go ahead and test your switch for me. Pressing up.
Twist until it goes.
Perfect, that spark is what we want to hear. Alright, very good. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the grips. You've got 4 in front of you. You need one for the top and one for the bottom. So you're going to choose 2. Any combination of 2 is going to work. Okay? Now, all of your grips have a colored ring on one end, either copper, whatever you want. That colored ring is going to go towards the center, towards your activation plates, and to secure it, you're going to push and twist. Push and twist. Yep, that's it. That ring is going to go towards the center. Yep, you got it. You got it. I can't quit it. I'm not a mom. There we go. That feels good. All right. Awesome. So you're all set to choose one of your emitters here. That's going to go on the open emitter. Go ahead and test your activation switch for me one more time. Perfect. Now you're going to choose one of these emitters here. That's going to go on the open end of the table. That's a pommel cap. So you're going to choose one of these ones. It has an open end. These are on the open end of the table.
One of these 2 pommel caps for the
Last piece is the pommel cap at the very bottom.
Thank you very much. This will be your activation switch. You can make it activate. Slide the switch forward and we'll activate it.
And now you get to choose the pommel cap. We're very excited for that too. Alright. How does everything feel? Nice. Alright, I'm going to take the extra scrap metal out of your way. And I'll do a final check for you as well. We'll make sure everything is ready for activation, okay? Very good. Alright, when Kembe tells you to activate, you're going to slide up on that switch and back down to deactivate, okay?
What colour crystal did you choose for that? Sense. Balance.
Alright, how does everything feel?
Very unusual. Good. Congratulations.
You like it? Yeah.
That's excellent. There, from the earliest days of the Old Republic, those pieces could be as old as 1,000 generations before the Battle of Yavin. Magnificent. What colour crystal did you choose?
Green.
Excellent. Yes. Excellent.
What do you think so far? You love it? You love it? Yeah.
Congratulations. Good.
There's a You like the pieces you chose?
Yeah.
Is it a hard decision?
A little bit. Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about that?
I don't want mine to be all jagged and weird. I want it to be very
You just say we're
yeah,
both
I like
Jedi.
Makes sense.
So I really like Darth Vader's and it's all like really
All the
cool
ridges.
bumps. Yeah. And it's like Obi-Wan's is all even.
Is it heavy?
Oh yeah, very heavy. You don't hold this. Feel this.
Whoa. It's more of a display saber than a fighting
Yeah,
saber.
definitely. You don't fuck with that.
No.
Good. I'm so glad you're all able to experience this. We've spent so long gathering these pieces from one end of the galaxy to the other in our ship, the Wandering Miner. It's a YT-2400 class Corellian freighter. Newer model, not dissimilar in appearance to that hunk of junk that's parked in Docking Bay 5. Ah, yes. Do you know what that is?
Not exactly.
It is, I can tell you exactly, my friend. It's from Tatooine. One of the biggest bounties we've ever found, and it's a ragdoll school. It's one big animal. It's a huge beast. Excellent. Is that perfect? Good. What colour crystals in there? Oh, yes. The violet. Very nuanced. Good. Well, builders, congratulations. We've all completed our hilts, and nothing catastrophic or traumatic has happened. Yet is a good point. So let's have everybody take a step back. Thank you, builders. Just for a moment, just step away from those stations to allow this skilled team of gatherers to complete what is the most dangerous part of the process. That's preparing your hilts for activation into crystal stabilization chambers. Well done, gatherers. Now, builder.
Is that cool?
What's happening?
Well done. Chosen a part with skill you have. Chosen with heart. And joined they are. Much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda. Then yes, it is indeed time. Time for the bond between Builder and Saber to be forged. So in just a moment, I'll ask the builders to take a step forwards, place a hand on the hilt of their lightsaber, and then on my mark, we'll activate together. Builders, are you ready? Yes. Take a step forwards, place a hand on the hilt of your lightsaber, and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers! You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith that came before you, and like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Deactivate and lower the sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, it can. Choose your path, only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands, you now hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. To protect your new sabers, we're pleased to offer you all a saber sheath as you depart. For our time is now at an end, but yours is just beginning. It's time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. And who knows, perhaps next time, we'll be telling your story. Build a spire!
Build a spire!
Nice. Oh, we gotta go.